Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment below, and also consider subscribing to the channel for more how-tos, tips and tricks, and step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to change your active status on Messenger. So if you want to appear offline or busy, that's something that's possible. The first thing you want to do is come across to facebook.com, and then you want to click on the Messenger button at the top here, and then if you go down and click on the three dots here where it says options, and then if you look down just towards the bottom, there's a button there that says turn off active status. You give that a click. You've got a couple of options. So what you can do, you can turn off your active status for all contacts, which means every one of your friends you would appear offline to. You can turn it off for all contacts except, which is another option, so you can put names in there of your Facebook friends that you want to appear online to still. And it's sort of a similar option down here. You can turn off your active status for only some contacts. So it says here your friends and contacts will see when you're active or recently active. You'll appear active or recently active unless you turn off the setting every place you use in Messenger or Facebook. You'll also see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. So if you want to appear offline to your friends on Facebook, just go ahead and choose the most appropriate option. And then what you want to do is to come down here and click OK. I've just set it to turn off for all contacts. So what's going to happen now is when my contacts come onto their Messenger, normally if you're online you have a little green dot down in the corner. So that would actually be gone, and it would appear that I'm offline even though I might be online. To go ahead and turn it off, it's the same process. All you need to do is click again on the options button. You'll see it's changed now to turn on active status. Go ahead and give that a click. And there you can see I've appeared online to everyone, and you can see the green dots have come up on some of my contacts now. So I hope you found that helpful. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.